and I'm so glad to have her with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos y pies dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on straightaway. Tomorrowland. As much as a songbird loves the morning, and I'm still awed by the rockets and through a technology optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Hi friends, this is a friendly reminder to please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs completely inside the train. That's inside the orange bar. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Next stop, Main Street.
Trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me, and I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA, a place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland. Stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of us. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Hi friends, as we arrive at the station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. I will give you the words all clear when it is okay for you to disembark this train. Until then, please remain seated, friends. We are still in motion. Remain seated. You're all clear. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago when I was just a young fellow on Main Street with a balloon I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller town. On more musical notes, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in. Take a listen. We're almost there. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. We can disembark all these horses all the way along. Watch a step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we pull into the station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I give you those magical words, all clear. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I say all clear. All clear, welcome to Frontierland.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a swell already know how much I love riding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen, hear that?
I think it's finally time I
It's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacular. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stuffed plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and tomorrow. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we pull to the station, please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I give you those magical words all clear. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I say those magical words all clear. I'm going to remain seated, please.